a skeletal system. What is a skeletal system in the body? Means bones. How many types of bones are there? Long bones, short bones, right? Majorly there are 21 bones in your body. And there are some similarities among the bones also. Similarity means the femur is this femur. This is single bone. So in the whole body, there are only two bones which are single. Femur and this humerus. Okay, this is single bone. This is single bone. And in the lower legs, there are two bones, tibia and fibula. This is tibia and this is fibula, second bone. Similarly, there are two bones in the lower arms, radius and ulna. They are two bones, right? There are similarity between upper part of the body and lower part of the body. Now, there are similarities between the toes and fingers, like carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Clear? This is called carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Similarly, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Similarity. Then big bone is one, your hips. Hip, this is hip. And hip is so important that all the abdominal organs are supported by the hips. Our hip, so these are the bones, right? Then we have cranium. It's called cranium, skull. They are the bones, right? Bones. And bones are made of calcium. Bones are a storehouse of calcium. When your body undergoes deficiency of calcium, your body starts taking from your bones. And as a result, you start feeling pain in joints. That is because of deficiency of calcium. Bones are the storehouse of the RBC, red blood corpuscles. RBC is formed in bone marrow. You know, bone marrow. Bone marrow is the storehouse of the blood RBC, especially RBC. Bones are the support system for the muscles. If bones had not been there, then your muscles would collapse with each other. Compartments, there are different compartments in the body, right? And bones are the support for the muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. When you eat meat, or the butcher, when butcher removes the flesh, then you may see this is so attached to the bones, it is, severed with this sharp knife. If you pull, it will not come out of the bones. That is glued, glue. That is such a strong glue, this is not removed. And that glue is called connective tissues. Right? And what is that called? Can you tell me? That glue which connects muscles and the bone. What is that called? First, understand the anatomy of body, the mechanism of the body, the structure of the body. The smallest unit in the body is what? Molecule. Molecule. What you call atom. Molecule. And several molecules togetherly make a cell. Cell. And some cells togetherly make a tissue. Tissue. One tissue, if you take one tissue, it will have several cells. Cells.
But the cells are consisted by
Molecules. Tissue is consisted of molecule. Tissue consisted of cells. And some tissues togetherly make a muscle. Single muscle. Like we have muscle, right? So this muscle has tissues. Okay.
muscle tissue cell
Molecules.
okay.
And some group of organs make a system that is called bodily system, like muscular system, respiratory system, cardiac system, etc., etc., etc. And some systems togetherly make an organism. Organism that is called, what do you call body, right? Body. This is body, which has hierarchy, structure, and this is the system. And in this body, there are several systems working together. And first system is a skeletal system. What is that? A skeletal system. Bones. Clear? And second system is muscles. So bones, muscles are attached to bone. But now let's understand in regarding the tissues. There is a specific tissue, what you call glue. Glue is also tissues. And what that tissue is called fascia. Fascia, tendons, and cartilage. Ligament. So ligaments are connective tissues, and that connect two bones together. Bones are connected with ligaments, and muscles are connected with tendons. Muscles are attached to bones with tendons. And sometimes here tendon is torn apart. Muscle tear, tendons tear, tendons injuries, ligaments injuries. Have you heard this? Ligament injuries. And what is ligament injury? When you have any injury in joint, that is ligament injury. If you have any, injury in the muscles, that is tendons injury. Every joint has ligament. And not single, but various ligaments. Tendons are everywhere, at every muscle.
Muscle and they
Muscle is
connect with bones. But the tendons is consistent with the tissue. And so the tissue is spread body and the tissue is consistent with
that connecting it, that the tendon is also tissue, a mass of tissue, because that is a muscle, right? It's called connective tissue. So when you practice yoga, asana, then you pay attention on the tendons, pay attention on the ligaments, which are very delicate. If you'll put pressure, you will damage that. Right? And by practice, you make them healthier, mobile. All joint exercises are to activate the ligaments so that you will not injure. When practicing yoga, you put pressure. So before giving pressure, warm up them. So joint exercise is warming up for this. And the stretchings are warming up the muscles. If you not stretch before yoga, then you will damage your muscle. Surya Namaskar is gentle warm-up, deep warm-up, not gentle, deep. And stretching, what you do in the beginning, Tadasana, Tiraktarasana, Kati Chakrasana, they are gentle warm-up. Warm. So your muscles have to be warm, soft. When your body is hot, it becomes soft. When your body is cool, it becomes stiff. During winter, you see body becomes stiff. Blood doesn't flow freely. Have you seen that? Breathlessness comes because of the cold. Because of the cold, things start getting compressed because of cold. And heat opens. So during summer or when there is summer, during summer, people's health are normally well. But during cold, your health will start deteriorating. Winter is not good for health.
And when you get older, old man, stiff.
Old man, yes.
He's talking about age.
Okay. So my point is that you must practice everything with mindfulness, with awareness, applying the knowledge, not just like stereotype. Paying attention on anatomy, physiology. And anatomy consists of two things: a skeletal system and muscular system. Okay?
Mm.
Because these are two things which make your figure, your body,
Mm.
isn't it? Superficial things.
Mm.
Superficial, your face, your body mass index, BMI, muscle mass, bone density.
Oh,
Bone should also be dense. You see, some people have very lean bone. Do you see that?
especially girl, women.
Especially girls and women. Therefore, their bones are weaker. But men's whose bones are stronger. Right? So first strength is bone. You see, in martial art, we hit with head, we hit with elbow, we hit with this. This bone's strength. We hit with, stick on the this. We break this. That is bone strength, not muscle strength. So bone strength is coming through muscles. Clear? So first thing you have to pay attention on bones health by eating healthy food. Especially in ladies, they have calcium deficiency, iron deficiency. Vitamin D is also essential component. Yeah. See, for food and intake, you have to take inside. You have to take inside food and drink. You have to absorb. You have to take inside. So what you take inside? Food.
Nothing good.
Yeah, milk. Milk has milk. If you can take milk, then there are other sources of calcium. Actually, there are other sources, especially the green vegetables. Green, leafy spinach. They are rich in calcium. Okay. Then soya. You know soya?
Okay, so yes, I love soy.
It has calcium. Then some seeds. Almond is very rich in calcium. Soya beans, almonds. Then chia seeds. You know chia seeds. Yeah, they are very helpful in this. Figs, dried figs.
Oh, very big, so.
Yeah, they are also very rich in calcium. And milk. If you don't take milk, that's okay.
Okay.
If you practice yoga, even you eat any hard things, you digest because you need hard things also, right? Your kidneys work properly. If your kidneys are stronger, no stone can come.
Really?
Yes. So you have to practice yoga. Yoga practice will melt that.